Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. P. Janagaratnam, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In my previous video series, I already discussed about the different types of robotics and what are all the basic types of automations, how we are implementing the automation and all discussed. Today, I'm going to discuss about the new topic which is related to what all the actuators are used for in our robotic system. Okay. So this is the generally different types of robotic systems. It can be used for an automation industries. So actuator for the robotic system means we have to use the either single acting or double acting cylinders or some kind of rotary actuators or which can be used to actuate the our robotic systems. So these are all the different actuators are used in our robotic systems for end effectors. There are having the different types of end effectors which is used to hold the workpiece, and the types of mechanical actuation system and robot drive system, some of the driving devices which will be used to actuate the robotic system, and position, velocity and feedback devices. Some of the feedback devices which can be used to either monitoring the robotics path as well as it will be control the actuation system, and robotics joints and links. And what are the basic joints means T joints, orthogonal joints and L joints, knee joints, and different types of links which can be used. So here we have to taken that here there are two joints which will be connected by using the single links. So the end of the joints we have to use that end effectors which will be used to hold the workpiece, and it can be moved from one place to another place, and motion interpolations. These are the different actuators which can be used for an robotic systems. So end effectors, so the end effectors is a peripheral device that attach the robot wrist, allowing the robots to interact with its task, like spot welding, arc welding, and spray painting, so etc. It can be used for an end effectors, grippers, and mechanical, magnetic, and vacuum grippers. So these are all of the different types of end effectors below type which can be used to move the material handling equipment. So this is the gripper used for material handling. So this is the unilateral, and which will be controlled to the multilateral, which will be deflated types and inflated types. So which can be hold the workpiece, which can be moved from one place to another place. That is called known as material handling equipments. So grippers are used for the some of the mechanical grippers. So this is the linkage actuation systems. So here we have to use two links. So here fixed. So automatically it can be shrinkage will be taken care, means automatically these two grippers will be hold the workpiece, and it will move the workpiece from one place to another place. So this is the linkage actuation systems. Here instead of linkage actuation systems, here we are using the gear rack and type of actuation system. Instead of linkages, here we are using the gears. So both the gears are rotated by using the rack and pinion mechanisms will be appeared to move the workpiece from one place to another place. So this is the another types of grippers which will be used for an material handling equipments. So then next one is for use mechanical grippers. So instead of cam and follower mechanisms which will be used to hold the workpiece, there first one we have to discuss these linkages, and second one is rack and pinion. And mechanical grippers means we have to use the cam actuator. So the next one is for screw actuation system. Instead of cam and rack and pinion and other mechanisms, here we are using the screw actuation system, thread block screw. So we have to adjust the screw, means automatically it can clamp the workpiece. So automatically we can move the workpiece from one place to another place by using any kind of robotic actuation systems. Okay. So another one is for magnetic type. So here the permanent magnetic type means we have to attach the magnetic and the air cylinder which will be moves through the forward motion means automatically it can clamp the workpiece. So automatically we can move the workpiece from one place to another place. So instead of cam and other mechanical grippers, here we are using that magnetic grippers. So it will fully hold the workpiece and automatically we can transfer the workpiece from one place to so another place. So these are all the different types of electromagnet type of grippers which will be attached in the end of the robotic arms, so which will hold the workpiece and automatically we can rotate or we can produce the linear motion. So automatically we have to transfer one place to another place. So another one is for vacuum type. So this kind of vacuum type of grippers also used to produce the vacuum means automatically it can hold the workpiece. Then it will be moved here to here. So after completing the all the work finishing process, it will be converted into the conveyors by using this kind of robotic system. So end effectors here we are instead of other mechanical type of gripper, here we have to use the vacuum type grippers. So another one is for below type grippers. So this is the today summarizations we have to discuss about the introduction to robotics and the loss of robotics histories. And here today we are going to discuss and already seen about the robotic components like manipulator, end effectors, actuators, sensors, controllers, and different types of actuators we have to discuss. And automatically we have to use this kind of end effectors to grippers are used to hold the workpiece, as well as we have to move the workpiece from one place to another place. This is the assessment questions. So two questions we have to discuss, like what is the brain of robotic controller of all actions means controller. What is the one major limitations of robotics in manufacturing means high initial cost. We have to implement in the robotic system means we have to put the initial cost will be and high. So these are all of the some of the reference. Thank you. In our next sessions, we have to discuss about the one more interested topic like robotics or automation systems. Thank you.